Okay, our last division question that we're going to look at is 76 and 89 hundredths divided by 0 and 6 tenths. So which one of these numbers is the dividend? You bet, this big one is. That would make 0 and 6 tenths are what? What is that one? That's right, it's the divisor. Okay, because we're trying to find out how many times will 0 and 6 tenths go into 76 and 89 hundredths. That's what we're trying to find out. Okay, so let's get things going here. 76, 89 hundredths divided by 0 and 6 tenths. Now, we don't like this, right? Because we have a decimal right here, and that makes us sad. We don't like that. So we're going to move it out of there. So we're going to take it, and we're going to move it over by 1. Okay, we're going to move it over. Because we move that decimal over, we have to also move this one over by 1. Okay, so our new question is, how many times will 6 go into 768 and 9 tenths? Okay, so let's clear this out of the way and we'll get going. So how many times will 6 go into 7? We're going to 1 complete time. 1 times 6 is 6. 7 take away 6 is 1. Good. Bring down our 6. How many times will 6 go into 16? It will go 2 complete times. 2 times 6 is 12. 16 take away 12 leaves us with 4. Bring down our 8. That gives us 48. How many times will 6 go into 48? It goes in 8 times. 8 times 6 is 48. Bang on. Whoops. So we do our subtraction, and that gives us 0. And normally we'd be like, woohoo! But we have another digit. So I have to bring the 9 down. That gives us 9. How many times will 6 go into 9? It goes in once. 1 times 6, 6. Poop. Okay, we do our subtraction. That leaves us with 3. You might be thinking, well, there's no more numbers. There's no more digits. What are we going to do? We have an infinite number of zeros if we need them. Okay, so we bring one of those down. Sorry, I'm scrunching again. Makes it 30. How many times does 6 go into 30? 5 complete times. 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 take away 30 gives us 0. And we got nothing left. So we are good to go. Now, what did we forget to do at the very beginning? We forgot to put our decimal where it needs to go. Again, we're lining them up, right? So our decimal should go right in there. Should have done that at the beginning, but you can do it at the end too. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, I hope that made some sense.